Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to be doing the shingling method. Y'all, I used to do the shingling method religiously years ago, and I'll put a video up so that you guys can see the video that I did where I did the shingling method. My hair was way shorter than it is now. So now my hair is a lot longer, it's a lot more weighed down. So I wanted to see how this would be. But y'all, let me tell y'all, shingling takes so long. So long, friend. So we gonna see. I don't know. I don't really want to sit here all that long to do my hair, but I am determined. So in that video, I used completely different products, but this time I'm going to be using my Holy Grail products, and that is, you guys know, the Mielle Organics Curling Custard in conjunction with the Wetline Xtreme Gel. But I haven't even added the leave-in, and I'm going to be using this Garnier Fruitis Smoothing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask, and this is the avocado extract one. I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to just apply it all over the section. I just hopped out the shower. My hair is clean. It's deep conditioned. All that. Now, let me go get me some water. I'm about to go put some warm water in here. You guys know, if you have low porosity hair, make sure that you put warm water into your water bottle. So I am about to go and do that right now. All right, warm water check. You can tell because it's kind of milky looking. This is like hot water, actually. But by the time it comes out, it's going to be cool. So that's why you just try to get it hot as you can in that bottle, y'all. So that when it sprays out, you at least get some kind of warmth, you know. Ooh, I'm trying to get my life together. So when you are doing the shingling method, your hair has to be soaking wet. Now, my hair is wet. It's not soaking wet, but that's why I got the water bottle. But I am going to go ahead and apply the Garnier Fruitis. Now, normally I do this in the shower, but I didn't wash my deep conditioner out in the shower because I was doing something. So I just got to go ahead and apply it right now. And spray some of this warm water on it to hopefully get that all in there nice and good. I was watching my other shingling video, and I was like, oh, my hair was so, like, much shorter than... I'm like, this about to take forever, fine. All right, so now that you have your little section down here, you want to go ahead and apply your products. I'm going to go in with the Mielle Curling Custard first on this section. Spray some water. Okay. Then I'm going to go in with the Wetline Xtreme. Y'all know I love the blue one. Go ahead and smooth that in. Now, if you don't know what the shingling method is, it's where you basically separate each curl by hand. So, now, the thing about shingling, I'm going to sit on my feet for a minute. The thing about shingling is that you really need to detangle your hair. So, I am going to take this Denman brush and just go ahead and comb through. Now, my hair is super moisturized, like mega moisturized, so this is not an issue for me. But if your hair doesn't feel really smooth to detangle after your gel is applied, don't do it. Just go ahead and detangle it before you put your gel on. All right, so this is what it looks, and this is kind of what you want. You want your hair to be super, super straight like that. And then you want to separate it with your hand. So you really just take pieces and separate them by hand. And do not worry about them not curling up, because they're going to curl up later. You just let it do its thing. If you have curly hair, that's all you need to do. Now, if you got straight hair, honey, no. So I'm gonna let y'all listen to some music, because this definitely gonna take a long time, baby. This is not, I'm not about to get through this real quick. So I'm gonna let y'all listen to some music while I just go ahead and shingle my whole entire head of hair.
Had a missed call from you the other day. Don't really know what there's left to say. You don't really fuck with me no more. I still got excited when I got your call. I don't really get what you're trying to do. I don't really get what you're trying to prove. Keeping me wrapped around your finger like you always do. I know you didn't even mean to call. Now you got me feeling all alone. I'ma drink right from the bottle tonight. You always find your way back into my life. Why can't you just leave me alone? Wait, no, please don't go. I don't know what I mean by this. Now you got me all up in my feelings.
You and my missed calls. Do I call back right away? No, it's a missed call, but if not, I'll be okay. Don't know what you want from me. Why do you let me down like this? Oh, let you and my missed calls. Do I call back right away? No, it's a missed call, but if not, I'll be okay. Don't know what you want from me. Why do you let me down like this? Oh, let you know I'm on my way to your house now. I don't know what's going down now. Friends kick me out the whip, feeling good now. Haven't been here before, no one around. Tryna get through to you. What is it coming to? She following what I do, and you ain't in my view, in my view.
I was on my job like Steven. Why you calling me with no reason? I phoned you back then, it was easy. Now I be wishing I know you need a genie. Wanna be through with you, I ain't in no fucking mood. You best watch who you bring it to. I just wanna go stick and move. Missed call, you ain't mean to go dial that, I'ma still respond. When not to get pissed drunk. Say you wanna go right now.
Okay, you guys, so I have completed my hair. My hair look good as fuck, girl. You already know it. Can't deny. Can you deny it? Can you deny it? If you thumbs down this video, you a hater, yo. You just a hater with your hating ass, man. My hair look good, yo. So y'all know I'm about to sit under the dryer, let all the just set. I just need everything to just freeze, bitch. Yeah. Freeze like me. Ooh, ooh. Y'all remember that song? Y'all know the song I'm talking about.
I get it down on the dance floor. Watch this. You don't even know, girl.
You guys, my hair is completely dry. I sat under the dryer for 30 minutes and my hair is completely dry. Like it feels so dry. Even when I go inside to my roots, they're dry. I just love all of that. And do y'all see all the curl poppage? I mean, I didn't have any, I knew, you know, I knew my hair was going to come out like this. It takes a long time. It definitely takes a long ass time, friend. Like, when you do this method, you might not want to wash your hair the next 3 days. Like, this gonna have to stay for a good 7 to 10 days. Like, I'm just saying for you, like, I gotta work, so I'm gonna have to wash it a little faster. But the definition, what, sis, girl, honey, it just take a long time. I mean, I used to do this process all the time, and I was like, I ain't never gonna do my hair regular no more. But like, once your hair get longer, you get tired really fast. What I'm gonna do now is time to stretch it, because as you can see, I ain't shrunk. Which it doesn't look bad, but you know, gotta do a little same to it. You ain't leave like this, friend.
Right now, still down.
You and my missed calls. Do I call back right away? No, it's a missed call, but if not, I'll be okay. Don't know what you want from me. Why do you let me down like this? Oh, let you and my missed calls. Do I call back right away? No, it's a missed call, but if not, I'll be okay. Don't know what you want from me. Why do you let me down like this? Oh, let you.
All right, you guys, I'm complete. My hair is complete. and I think it looks so freaking good. No, this looks really good. Really, really, really good. It feels like it's gonna last. It feels fluffy. It feels separated, so I did not have to do much of that while I was blow drying. Normally, while I'm blow drying, that's when I'll start separating my curls and stuff. But I need to do that, and every single curl is a popping, okay? Popping. So I didn't want to stretch it actually too much because I want it to last, and I want to see how it just gradually goes. So what I did was just kind of blow dry, make sure all the roots are actually dry. And y'all, can't stop touching my hair because my curls just feel so good. Like, they just feel so freaking good. I don't know. Every curl is popping. Like, every curl is popping. So, if you have the time, I highly recommend trying this method out. Like I said, I've already done it back in the day. Check out the videos so that you guys can see how it looked on my hair. And then I use different products then. So it'll work with any wash and go. You don't have to use my actually, like the products that I use in this wash and go. You don't have to use those products. But you need to use this method. Make sure that hair is smooth, it's really straight, and then just like separate until you get your desired look. And it's gonna look a mess at first as you're doing it, and you're probably gonna be like, this ain't gonna turn out right. But girl, let me tell you, just continue doing your hair, let those curls start shriveling up, and you get all type of curl definition. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. I feel like getting cute now, or like being on Instagram flexing for y'all right quick. But I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.